Brand new engine splash shield bolts, hardware kit, fender bumper clips, rivets, direct replacement and perfect fitment. The extruded U-nuts can be used to replace, fix to the bumper. The clips are widely used for radiator, yoke, trim panel, door trim, door panel, bumper, car fender, flare, side skirt, grille, wheel well, air intake, engine cover, mud flap and splash guard, shield retainers, rivet clips replacement. Fits Infiniti G35 G37 FX35 FX45 EX35 Nissan 370Z 350Z. See details. Package includes 10 PCs extruded U-nuts, replace, fix to the bumper, corrosion resistant, 15 PCs body bolts with built-in fender washer, corrosion resistant, 10 PCs plastic push clips as pictured. Fitment Please check our photos and make sure the part shown looks identical to your stock one 2003 to 2008 Infiniti G35 Sedan, 2003 to 2007 Infiniti G35 Coupe, 2008 to 2014 Infiniti G37 G37X, 2003 to 2008 Infiniti FX35 FX45, 2008, 2012 Infiniti X35, 2009, 2014 Nissan 370Z, 2003 to 2009 Nissan 350Z. Package includes 10 extruded U-nuts, replace, fix to the bumper, corrosion resistant, 15 body bolts with built-in fender washer, corrosion resistant, 10 plastic push clips. Top reviews from the United States. Bought bolts for our 2018 Kia Sorento LX. The bolts work fine to replace several bolts that were missing on our 2018 Kia Sorento LX engine undercover. The other parts will come in handy for a couple of other vehicles we own.